just excited to be filming again. Guys, I'm also excited because I never thought that I would be putting red bean on my face. I never thought I'd start a video and being like, hey, we're about to put red beans on our face, but alas, here we are. Okay guys, in today's video, we're gonna do a bunch of stress tests to see if the ingredients are actually any good. And we're gonna do a try on so that you can see if this is actually gonna change your skin and if you actually need to buy this. Let's do it. So guys, have you guys heard of this brand called Beauty of Joseon? Everyone is talking about it. It's like completely went viral because this brand looks so beautiful online. They did a really good job of branding. But today, in this video, we're just gonna be talking about the red bean water gel, guys. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna tell you whether I think you should buy this, whether I think it's worth your money. So here's the thing. People are making some pretty lofty claims about this. You wanna hear what people are saying? They're saying that they love this product. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. And sometimes they just use this in a toner. That's weird. This person, Chris, with oily skin, is saying that they were looking for something that was light and moisturizing and not too heavy, and that this gel is perfect for someone like her. Myla says that it is a bottle of magic. That's literally what she says. Haniel says, love it. Leave my skinny hydrated and not oil, perfect for combo skin like me. I wanna be skinny hydrated. Okay, so the first stress test that we're gonna do is we're going to put this on a delicate flour. Okay, we're gonna put this on a delicate flour because I wanna see if it actually increases moisture. Let's see if it gets plump and juicy or if it gets wrinkly and withered. So let's try it. Look at how pretty she is. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna put this on one petal, okay? And then we're gonna take another petal and we're gonna put it side by side and see the results in 10 minutes. Are you with me? Red bean water gel secured on this flower petal. I am going to gently massage just like I would my skin, okay? We're gonna put it all up in there. Gentle, gentle, gentle for this delicate flower. And I am gonna leave this sitting on my counter and we're gonna check back on it in 10 minutes. Right beside this one with the no red bean water gel. Let's see how delicate you really are. Okay, and the next thing that I wanna bust about this product, little myth that I wanna bust, is it says that it's called the red bean water gel, right? But when I looked on the ingredients, I saw nothing about the red bean being in the ingredients. But the one thing that I will say is that look here. Here it says key ingredients, red bean. Then I looked at the ingredient list here and I did a Command F on my computer and I did not see anywhere that said red bean. And I was like, well, maybe it's because they're using their scientific name. And you know what I did? I found out that the scientific name is called Vinga angularis. Okay, guys, and I Command F and I searched for that on the page and I did not see anything come up. I am not a scientist, you know, I'm not a chemist. I wish I were I don't wish I were a cosmetic chemist, but if I were a cosmetic chemist, I would be able to read this better, probably. Be able to be like, oh yeah, that's a red bean in there. But so far, I don't know. To my eye, I'm not seeing any red bean. Already a little sus. Okay, next stress test. We are gonna we're gonna drop this into a glass of water. You wanna know why? Because your moisturizer should not be floating to the top. It should not. Because, I asked ChatGPT, let me just double check. Because a moisturizer should generally sink or dissolve in water rather than float, because most moisturizers are water-based or contain water-soluble ingredients that allow them to be easily absorbed into the skin. So basically, if it floats, that means it would just stay on top of your skin. But if it sinks, that's gonna be absorbed. What do you guys think is gonna happen? I don't know, we're about to find out! Okay guys, I got a cup of water here. I got my red bean water gel, okay? Let's do it. Oh, it sank right away, guys. Did you guys see that? Let me show you a little bit more. I don't wanna waste this, but do you see that? Ooh, and it's keeping its form. Is that allowed? Okay, let's do a little bit more. I wanna show you. Yup, that sank. That's gonna sink right into your skin. But guys, maybe it's because of the density of the water. I'm gonna add a little bit more and see what happens. I did well in science and I can't remember. I think the bigger the body of water, the more you float, right? Or is it the other way around? I don't know. I think it's the other way around. Yeah, no. That's right. Okay, I added a little bit more water. Things are floating around a little bit because it just kind of ruffled everything, but now things are settling down to the bottom. And I think I'm liking this. I'm liking this so far. Okay, so that's one stress test. By God, that is one stress test passed. And at the end of the video, we're gonna see how that flower petal is doing. Okay, let's move on to the more normal stuff. So first of all, this is $18 and you can get it on sale if YesStyle is having a sale. That's how I got it. I had never shopped on YesStyle, and let me tell you guys, this is how it came in this box. okay, like that. It was a little bit like janky. And then it also, they just like stuffed a bunch of products in here. Like, I don't know. I'm all about saving the environment. So I guess they're just trying to like reduce, you know, printing and packaging and plastic. It's important work that they're doing. And guys, not only was the shipping packaging a little bit janks, but this is kind of janks to me. I don't know. I mean, like, I guess I paid $18 or even less for this. So you definitely get what you pay for, but look at this. Why is this like a printed sticker? If I put this under running water, like if I put this in my shower, this would immediately fall off. But on the flip side, this is kind of pretty. It's kind of got this like gradient, beautiful kind of effect, and it's frosted and it's cute. So I would say like 2 out of 10 on the packaging. Now, the other products that I got, like the Dynasty cream, for example, that is glass. It's heavy. There's a big portion of product in here. But if you do want to see how this performs, in the next video, I will be reviewing this, the Dynasty cream. Just like this video, I'm going to go through in depth and show you whether it's worth your money or not. If you're curious about the entire line, I'm going to be reviewing the sunscreen and this glow serum in an upcoming video, because this video is a part of a series where I review the entire Beauty of Joseon line. So make sure that you're hitting subscribe if you do want to see that. But back to the review. Vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance and essential oil free. And I can definitely attest to that, because when I open it, it smells like nothing. If you are dry skin, you're gonna wanna use the Dynasty cream that I showed you, but if you are oily skin, you're gonna wanna use this red bean water gel, because it has a light gel texture while being full of moisture. It minimizes that oily feeling. And apparently it has 3 types of peptides. There's peptides in here. That's amazing. That's sounding pretty good. Let's try this on the face. While this is not my first time using it, I have tried this for about a week. I'm just demoing it for you guys on the skin. I actually do have some pretty formed opinions on how it feels on my skin. When I put this on at night, my skin looks so glazed. I look reflective and shiny, like a beautiful donut, and I feel good. I just feel good wearing this. It's never too oily. This is never gonna be too heavy or greasy. It just feels so fresh. Okay, so this is what it's looking like on the skin, okay guys? Do you see that? The way the light catches. Beautiful. I always pair this with my other products, with my oils and my creams. I don't know if that's what's supposed to be done, but that's what I do. And I am telling you, my skin, I go to bed with it a little bit wet, I wake up with it plump, moisturized. Look how good my skin looks right now. My skin has not looked this good in months because, well, I shouldn't say that. I really like my Aesop cream. So what I should say is my skin hasn't looked this good for this little money in months. My skin looks so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. She's looking good. Okay. This is what it's looking like on the skin. Not too shiny, okay? Because especially if you're oily, I bet you don't want to be looking like a grease ball. So this just looks moisturized and not too wet, because it does eventually sink into the skin. So far, we have a bit of like mixed vibes, okay? The packaging is crap. The ingredients are mid. It looks amazing on the skin, and it's made my skin feel really good. So I'm about to tell you exactly what I think, whether I think you should buy this or not. But first, let's check on our flour. Let's see how she's doing. Okay, update. This is a lot more brittle. Do you see that? It's like crunchy, and this is soft to the touch. So it almost feels like this one had its moisture sucked out of it. Very crunchy. This one is still soft and supple. Okay, final thoughts and feelings. Guys, do I think you should buy this? I actually do think you should buy this, and I'll tell you why. Because at home, I use an Aesop jar, okay? That thing is $90, and it's like a couple of ounces, you know what I mean? These 3 products that have become a staple, an essential in my skincare routine, these were like $50 altogether, $50. Now, verdict's still out on this one. Y'all have to subscribe to see whether these are good or not. But this one, I can attest, this one is good. We're good. Look at my skin. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's glowing, it's vibrant, moisturized. I think you should buy this, regardless of whether it has red beans or not. If you guys can read ingredients well, let me know in the comment section below. Why am I not seeing red beans in the ingredient list? Let me know. But we can exonerate them. We can forgive them for maybe lying to us, because this is such a damn good product. So guys, this is the Red Bean Water Gel, Beauty of Joseon. Get it at Yes Style. If you do decide to get it, make sure that you are using my link in the description box, because, you know, if you're gonna get it anyways, you might as well use my link, and it does help. I should say this video is not sponsored. I am just using the links, you know what I'm saying? Like they didn't send me these products and like be like, hey, here's money, talk about this. No, it's more so just like, if you're gonna buy this, I would appreciate it if you could use the link. Anyways, guys, I hope this review has been helpful. Let me know if you end up picking it up and what you think. Let me know where you pick it up from. Are you gonna get it on Beauty of Joseon or are you gonna get it on Yes Style? Let me know. I would recommend you do get it on Yes Style because sometimes they have sales. Other than that, guys, I hope that you found this video helpful and I will see you in the next one next week. Bye.